Functions have all kinds of applications. So there's uses for this stuff. Here's one of them. The function h of x equals 2.75x plus 71.48 can be used to predict the height in centimeters of a woman whose humerus is x centimeters long. What bone is the humerus bone? Is it the bigger bone in the upper arm, I think, maybe? It's one of those bones anyway. So whenever you're confronted with a formula like this, it's good to know what the input is and what the output is. Okay, so you guys tell me, when you write it down like that, that's the input, right? What kind of values are you plugging in there? In this case, you're going to plug in 31. In general, you're plugging in the length of the arm bone, right? The humerus. And then what kind of value pops out? What is h of x? In general, not in particular. We'll do that in a second. It's the output, but what is it? What does h of x stand for? So you plug in the length of the arm bone, what pops out? The height of the person, right? Or the approximate height of the person. Inputs and outputs. So don't just think in terms of one problem, in terms of one number. Think in terms of what do the inputs represent, what do the outputs represent. And that's actually the good thing about application problems. You can oftentimes, if you look at your units and what you're measuring, you can oftentimes figure out whether or not you did it right or wrong. So if you got a ridiculously small number or a ridiculously big number for the height of a woman, you could know that maybe you plugged in the wrong thing or the right thing in the wrong place. Okay, so you guys told me what to do. What are we going to do? Function notation wise, we're plugging in for x, right? So function notation wise, what would that look like? H of 31. Okay, break out your calculator. You can type it in just the way it looks. Don't be afraid to type it in 2.75 times 31 and then plus 71.48 all at once. And what do you get? 156.17. Do I have multiple confirmations? 0.73. Okay. Do I have multiple confirmations on that? 0.73. Okay, it's not quite right. What do we need to put in? Centimeters. Okay, so what does that number represent? It's the predicted height of the woman. Okay?